Creators are now making tens of thousands of dollars a month on YouTube Shorts with these quick, faceless videos. And the best part is you never have to show your face. Even teenagers are cashing in by posting simple, well-crafted shorts. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do the same using one simple AI tool. Up until a few weeks ago, many thought that shorts didn't really pay out a lot of money, and to be honest, I was one of them. Watching all these videos saying that you can only make a few dollars with millions of views, but now YouTube has started increasing the RPM. Now you can earn around $400 per 1 million views, and some creators are even getting up to $700 for 1 million views. And it might seem stupid because TikTok can pay you $1,000 for 1 million views, so why now do that? But from experience, it's way easier to get views on YouTube Short, and with the tips I will give you in this video, it's even way easier. The first crucial step is picking a niche that already has proven viral potential. After a lot of research, faceless AI-generated animals are going super viral. There are many channels in this niche, from animals in human bodies to animated fighting animal videos. These are pulling in millions of views along with thousands of dollars in ad revenue. Why? It's catching attention because it's unexpected, and it's sparking up discussion because people want to know which animal is going to win. That's why the audience stays on the video until the end, which increases retention, making it super easy to create a viral video. The best thing is you can either create the videos yourself with the methods I showed you in the last videos, or you can automate the entire process by using one AI tool. And like every AI tool, this also costs money, but you have to view it like this. Spending under $1 per video, you only need one of those videos to go viral to make over $700. And if you create 100 videos a month, I bet that some of them will go viral. Also, I found a way to access this tool for completely free, so keep watching until the end. And with perfectly generated video, we will spark the interest of the views, make them comment, and stay watching, and we are going to do that with one tool and only a few minutes of work. So let's start creating our videos. Before we start creating our first video, we need to create our YouTube account. If you want a full tutorial, I talked about this in the last videos, so you can click here for that. But for this account, we are going to use ChatGPT to create our account name, and we will choose an animal that Leonardo AI created for us as a logo. That's it, our account is ready for our first ever video. First, let's look for some video ideas. Finding ideas can be really annoying because how do you know if an idea has the potential to go viral? For that, we are just going to other channels in our niche and see what their most viewed videos are, what made them so special. For example, this channel creates fighting animals in human bodies, and the most viral video is about a panda and a tiger fighting in the ring, or this account is creating videos about viral animals fighting against each other. Here, videos with a black panther and a white wolf got over 30 million views. Take some of the viral ideas you found and go to ChatGPT and ask it to analyze why these videos with over 10 million views went so viral, and if it could find more video ideas like that for our own YouTube channel. And here we have it, dozens of video ideas that could get you millions of views. Of course, some of these aren't the best, but some of these have actual potential to go viral. With all of these ideas, let's create our script to get the best possible video. Having a solid script is essential, even though the video is short. The first few seconds are crucial. You need a strong hook that grabs the viewer's attention immediately. Once you've hooked them, dive into your topic. You could take a while and create your own script, writing it with bare hand, or ask ChatGPT for a little prompt describing our story and what should be included in the video. That's actually enough because VidAI will create our script for us. First, start by clicking the first link under this video to access VidAI. And don't worry, I called up VidAI and they shared a link to test out the pro version for completely free to all of my subscribers. After clicking it, let's click on faceless shorts. Now you can choose a topic that could already go viral, and VidAI will create a random video about that topic for you, or put in a ready script to create a video using that. But we will use the prompt feature, put in the prompt that ChatGPT created for us, and select the length 30 seconds to 90 seconds. Why? Just from experience. YouTube wants the viewer to stay on the platform, so creating longer, really engaging videos are the best to go viral. But even if your videos are super engaging, most viewers will not watch the video until the end. If they are over 1 minute long, then choose a voice from the library, and yes, these are all voices that you know from 11 Labs. Select a style you want. From anime to natural, you can create your video in any style you prefer. VidAI will now create a full script for you in a few seconds. You can now change any part of the script and even the images included in the video. First, I would change the beginning. Even if this is good, creating your own hook can take the video to the next level. So type in something like, what would happen if a cheetah and an eagle would fight? You can also change the images the AI created for you. Just click on a picture you did not like and click on regenerate. If you like what the VidAI created for you, click on generate and wait for a few seconds until your video is being created. Now you get the chance to change anything about the video VidAI created for you. First, pick a background music from the library here and move the slider to change the volume of the music. I would lower it to avoid it being too loud, and so the voiceover can be heard clearly. Change the font type if you want something unique and make the writing bigger to make the video even catchier. You can also change color and background color, but I like it this way, so I clicked generate.
What if a cheetah and an eagle would fight? Meet the cheetah, the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of 120 km/h. Now enter the bald eagle, the master of the skies.
Perfect. The video we just created has an amazing hook, engaging images, videos, and a question to the audience to spark engagement. But if you want even more viewer engagement, go back to your prompt and add something in the prompt like choose a winner at the end. Now the script will include a winner at the end of the video, and everybody that disagrees with your opinion will comment, which will raise retention and engagement, and your video can get a new all-time high in views. I mean, with this strategy, you can easily create 100 viral shorts a day that could get millions of views and upload them all across the month to make you $20,000. But is there any way for our videos to be even a bit better? Yes, a little trick we will use to make the video even more catching. And even though I love the VidAI videos, we will put the cherry on top of our video. Go to Google and look for cheetah sound effects and eagle sound effects. Go to a free sound library and download some effects that would fit to the video. Now open up an editor. I will use CapCut because it's completely free and you can download it online with a few clicks. Open it up and import the video we created and also the sound effects we just downloaded. Click on the timeline and add the sounds in a place where it would fit in perfectly. This will enhance the emotions created with the video and make the video to a masterpiece ready to make you some money. Okay, how will we upload our video to our YouTube channel to get the most views out of it? It's easy. Open up your phone and click on the plus icon in the middle. Now click on the video you just created and click next. Now you are on the most important part of the uploading process. This is where a good video becomes a perfect video. We will have to create a title that catches the attention of the YouTube audience and create a description. For that, let's go back to YouTube. The channels we analyzed are the perfect example to find video title that can go viral. Take some of them and go back to ChatGPT. Here, put in the best titles of the most viral video and ask it again why these titles went so viral. Also, let's create our title for our video. Ask it to generate a title for a YouTube Shorts about a cheetah fighting an eagle. And don't worry, in the next video, I will also show you an AI tool that is specialized in creating description and title that was trained for YouTube Shorts, but ChatGPT will also do the job. Go back to the phone and put in your title that you created and also add emojis that could fit to your video. Now, I would first upload the video in the private mode to let YouTube free your video quality. If you don't do that, the first people that click on your video could see a short with 480p and your short could get a bad retention, leading to a low viewed video. After uploading, click on edit and click on the pen icon. Here you can choose a moment from the video as your thumbnail. Choose a moment with both animals in the same frame so the viewers instantly understand what the video is about without having to read the title. Then click on description. Here you can add a text explaining what the video is about. You can also create this using ChatGPT. Ask it to create a YouTube description with a lot of keywords and hashtags. This will make your video come on top if anyone searches for any of the words you included in the description. After adding your description, your video is ready to be uploaded. While uploading your video, stick to a consistent plan and upload your videos daily at the same time. See which videos get more views and concentrate on those topics. Also, analyze which times get more views than others. How long does it take to go viral? This is really different from channel to channel. Some people are lucky and go viral with their first video, but most people's views will look like this after a few hours. You should not worry, because YouTube Shorts are known to take some time until the algorithm understands which audience wants to see your video and tends to wait until showing your video to more people. A video like this can have 100 views in 24 hours and get millions after a few days. So don't focus only on the views, and just like Mr. Beast said, you can't expect to go viral before uploading 100 videos.
Make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking, like maybe you can get some views, but you know, your first 100 are gonna suck.
But with all the methods I just showed you, the AI tools and strategies to create free AI videos in just a few minutes, you will have an advantage against all the other people trying to go make money on YouTube Shorts. To get your head start, go and click the link in the description under this video to test out VidAI yourself for completely free. If you like this video, always don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss any videos to make money on social media. See you!